Lana to let us do her makeup. And we are using the entire KKW Bestie collection that she did with Allison. I feel like it's low-key me and Lana. I mean, we haven't known each other since we were babies, but I pen pal her every single day on text message.
I'm nervous, guys.
Today, we are doing a full Lana the Great glam.
Show your face, you're the body girl. Show your face, you're the body girl.
What's Mariah doing?
I don't know, I'm assisting.
Okay.
She's assisting. Every big makeup artist arrives on set with an assistant.
Okay, this is an assistant thing.
Look guys. Refreshing her skin with Caudalie Eau de Boot Beauty Elixir. The concealer I am using is Tarte Shape Tape. The fact that I'm really gonna use this as your foundation
I was
because
just about to say that because you are.
this is my winter concealer.
And it's my summer foundation. Oh.
Look up. Ooh, you know what else you could do, Mariah?
What?
Get my close-up of what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah.
Film my close-up.
I can do that.
Yeah, get those dark circles, man. How do we remove those? Someone, I'm sure on YouTube has.
You know what's weird? Dark circles do not bother me. If I had an option of having bags or dark circles, I would absolutely pick dark circles because you can cover them.
Well, luckily for you, you don't have either. So
Look up. Okay, Mariah, what is the look that you think we should go for with Lana?
She's busy all the time. She's on the go.
Should it be like an effortless?
So I feel like it should be like an effortless, glowy.
Oh, bronzy, peachy, golden.
Bronzy.
that's
peachy
Adrienne's
golden.
favorite. My mom was like really strict when I was like a teenager. So in middle school, I used to sneak eyeliner. And then when I would go home, before I'd go home, I would wash it off. But then one time she was like, I know you're wearing makeup. So she's like,
you look a little different.
Yeah. She was like, I don't want you to start ruining your skin. So actually all throughout high school, I just did like my eyebrows and mascara and never foundation. And then, which I should have stuck to that because a couple years later I had like terrible acne.
When you started wearing
When
foundation?
I started wearing
Pleasure.
quarantine.
Quarantine cleared your
my
acne.
because I didn't wear a stitch of makeup since March. The more you cover it up,
The worse it gets.
first of all, it looks ugly when you try to cover it up.
Ugly is a stretch, but okay.
Not ugly, but it looks obvious when you try to cover it up.
Stay still. There's a precision here.
Is my nose gonna look like?
Let the nose job accusations begin.
I feel good. If it's a nose job, a temporary nose job, I feel good.
Here goes the nose, folks. We did 2 lines with this KKW 15 Conceal. You just need something darker than your natural skin tone. 2 lines and you're just softly, you know, to be honest, can I do it with my fingers?
Yeah, I don't care.
And the key is to drag it up to your eyebrow. You gotta put dark at the end because we both have long noses, so we always wanna shorten it. And the way you shorten a nose is you actually have to put dark at the end of it. And then above it, you're gonna put just a dot of highlighter, and that almost makes your nose look like it's going up instead of down. We're just filling in the front just the slightest bit. She really doesn't need much of anything.
It feels like they're gonna look like Sharpie brows
No,
with the way you're
Stay
going.
still. Boy brow, make it stay in its spot.
Okay, guys, are you ready for this? I'm gonna ask you some very serious best friend questions.
This is good. Yeah.
Okay, what is my full name?
Lana Camille Houghton.
Adrienne Bailon Houghton.
What state was I born in?
New York.
California.
Okay. What food can I not live without?
Lana really likes steak.
I do. I really like steak.
But I don't think that's what she cannot live without. She can't live without hummus.
Hummus.
Yeah.
I feel like Adrienne, you can't live without avocados.
That's true.
What food do you hate?
Oh, Lana can't eat seafood.
Yeah, at all. A hates tomatoes.
Correct.
That's good, guys. I love it.
We're actually friends.
Okay.
You should understand that.
Our craziness towards each other is never out of disrespect. It's actually out of comfortability.
100%. And if you think that I'm being bullied, do you think I would go on my personal Instagram praising her every other week? No. Okay, like there's no gun held to my head. That's out of my own personal stuff.
But Lana naturally is a very sentimental, loving person.
If I love you, you will know. And
I've been knowing.
Guys, you do talk to each other wild.
We do. You full on will be like, shut the F up to me. And people will be like,
camera.
and people will be like, like, that's so unfair.
What is your Starbucks order?
A maple latte with oat milk, regular.
Yeah.
What's mine?
A decaf maple latte with oat milk.
The caffeinated and the decaffeinated versions.
Okay.
Next, I am going to be using KKW Allison eyeshadow palette in the color
What is the BFF8E?
Best Friends Forever and Ever.
Oh, that's cute.
I'm starting with Pager.
What is your dream job? Dream, biggest dream job.
Alright, you trying to get me fired?
No, I'm trying to set you up for success, Lana.
I think I'm gonna be so wrong, but I feel like you would be a writer.
What?
Yeah, I feel like Adrienne loves to read and like, no, right? Okay. I think you would do well as a writer.
Pero how? Pero why? I don't write anything. Lana's dream job would be like, not her old job, but like her current job.
I agree.
CFO.
What was a big hobby of mine growing up?
Actually, you guys, she was a really great tennis player and she actually has gotten medals and awards for being an amazing tennis player.
The most valuable player, MVP.
What?
Adrienne's hobby was reading her TV subtitles. That was her entertainment.
That's amazing.
I'm now going to go in with some Ben Nye banana powder so that she
Right,
can
these
bake.
questions are fun.
Look up.
Please.
What is my lucky or favorite number?
24, 36. That sounds like my body size. 36, 24, 36.
I won so much money betting on 36, so if you're ever in Vegas or you're ever at a casino, bet on 36. But she's turning 37 next year, so now I'm screwed. I don't know what I'm gonna bet on.
They're gonna stay 36 forever. So guys, I'm using the Ladera palette and the Here For You bronzer color for her
What am I
cheeks.
supposed to do?
Wow. Oh, 0 to 2.
Okay, earlier Lana said she needs to learn how to contour, so can you walk us through where do you put the contour for people who don't know?
So this actually, the key is to create a 3 on the side of your face and you put your face that way.
You should
So this is 3 like this. So now we're gonna come down and we're actually going to also contour her chin, her jawline. And then again, if you want, you can go down your nose with that same bronzer from the nose.
You're literally turning me into you right now. I see it.
Moving right along, I'm now back at the BFFAE palette, the color Letters.
What is your biggest pet peeve?
Adrienne's is liars.
You don't like the way people eat certain ways.
I hate loud chewers. I hate people just chewing around me. And I feel like sometimes when you eat, you do the most annoying sound effects on purpose.
ASMR.
No, nothing about that brings me peace.
Okay, well, what is your guilty pleasure?
I can tell you what Lana's is, freaking smoking hookah. That's terrible.
Do you like sometimes reality TV?
Yeah. Which one?
Keeping up with it.
How do you make the other person feel better in any situation?
I write
what's
her
this thing?
a handwritten note.
Why am I already gonna cry? I swear that will just make my whole heart.
Lana, if you want to touch Lana's heart, all you need to do is write her a handwritten letter,
That's literally
a note, and it will.
like it. You don't even have to put it in an envelope. Just give it to me. So simply, I love you. I love you. I like to keep stuff like that. Like I have.
Do you like to keep your head still?
Yeah. And you love quality time. So if
That's
I'm like, If she's having a bad day, we're like, let's
And
just
if
watch
Lana's not trying to run out the door, that makes my heart really happy. Or the idea that she might want to hang out after work is finished really blesses me.
Yeah, and when we watch movies together, I think one of my best and worst days was this last birthday, where we just spent the day watching.
That was so much fun. Lana had a loss in her family. Don't make us be weird.
No. Yeah.
It was the worst day.
No, like the best and worst day, like it was good and then it was bad.
What's your astrological sign?
She's a Scorpio.
She's a Pisces. And we actually get along perfectly because we're both water signs. Water signs.
Favorite song?
Hit that hit that
annoying.
hit that
It's definitely
hit
not.
that.
Well,
I actually do know the song. It's about the one that you'll be in my dreams and you'll haunt me
Yeah,
or
yeah.
something. Tell me again.
Kiltu.
Oh, Khartoum. That's right. Om.
Kal.
Kal.
Tu.
Khartoum.
There you go.
Fire.
Khartoum.
Adrienne's crazy. Her favorite song is Danny's song, and there is another one.
No, that's really it.
Okay.
Gonna put a little highlighter under her brow bone.
I think some people may not really understand that Lana literally isn't your assistant anymore. Lana also doesn't have an assistant.
And we
So
need assistance
what-
badly.
What
We
is
don't.
the day-to-day?
Yes,
What
we do.
is
What do you
the...
need an assistant for? No, Adrienne's self-sufficient. We're not going anywhere. We're in quarantine. Why is she gonna pay someone?
Lana also is very protective of me and pretty much just doesn't want anyone to come into the situation.
That's not true.
Because she's
Hire
like-
someone then. Do you really need an assistant?
I would like one.
Okay,
Close your eyes.
let's get one.
I know, I really want one. Someone that is fun, that has a good sense of humor. Someone that is resourceful, that is so important, that's an independent thinker. There is nothing worse than hiring someone that literally can't think on their own. Like, look at the knob,
Straight.
look at that knob.
Okay. Huh?
Things are happening.
Look at that
What was that?
powder. Wait, what?
I'm like, what do you want me to do?
Look up. I'm telling you what to do. Look up and you don't do that. I just want everyone to know that Lana did not listen to me and she now has eyeliner, liquid liner on her eyebrows.
No,
So there's
that's
that.
not even possible. So
I'm
you're
not
not gonna fix my
No,
eyeliner?
it just needs to live. Listen. Stay still.
Oh.
Do like this. Okay, this is KKW Beauty lip liner in nude 0.5. Sweetheart.
Yo, you have a lot of patience if you go through this all the time.
Yeah, and you don't even sit still.
I don't.
By the way, I've only been doing this for like 40 minutes.
No,
Other
that's
people
not
take 2
true.
hours.
What do you think a best friendship has to have in order to be healthy?
Honesty and trust. You cannot be somebody's best friend and think they're turning around and talking bad about you, or that they would loyalty. That's it. What are you doing?
I don't know. I think it's on my lip. If you feel like you can't be yourself with the person, then you kind of.
Yeah, if you feel like you have to impress that person
Yeah.
in any way, shape, or form, bye.
Like, I don't try to impress you at all.
I ain't got the energy. We're now using the Loyal blush. I can't make
No
this up.
way. Let me see.
I swear, it's called Loyal. It's the right place.
Oh wow.
Smile. I'm gonna blend that later. At the very end. Okay,
That's it. I feel like it's done.
No, your lashes are out of control. Close.
Can you just take them off? I'd feel better if they just came off.
No, you would not.
You're adding more liner.
You can't put lashes on without going over the lash line.
Okay, you want to warn someone before you put something in their mouth? Hold on. Hold on.
Hold on. I'm gonna have to set you again. Hold on. Okay, don't open. No,
I'm not going
open,
to
open.
open.
Open. Okay.
Let me see.
We can't see you looking in the mirror.
This eye makeup
It's pretty.
is really pretty. Yo, what'd you do to my skin? It looks really good. No, for real, my skin looks bomb. I told you go subtle on the eyes, but you didn't listen.
I don't know how to, because if I'm doing someone else's makeup, and yours are different.
No, I really like it. I like the skin. You did so good.
All right, so find your best friend, do her makeup, tell us how it comes out. We love you guys. Lana, I love you. You look beautiful.
I love my lashes so much. No, really, you did so
Subscribe.
good.
What's the name of this show? All Things Hated. The lambs are